Hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today here. I have a one question for you. Do you have a content strategy which is not working for you? Well, you are not alone. 94% businesses are failing because of the wrong content strategy. If you want to see the stats, look at here. 94% businesses. If you see this graph, in 2020, most successful businesses are using a documented content strategy, and a lot of businesses are not following the best practices. I'm going to share these best practices which get you a lot of traffic and leads. And what you're going to learn here is how to create effective content, what content people love, and what are the tools there to make this content. Now what I have achieved, I would like to show you here. In the blue line, if you see, I have generated huge traffic very recently in this year. And if you see the orange line, it's last year's data. Well, you can see I have generated 1,000 visits on my website on the daily basis. And these are the secrets which you are going to learn in this course. If you see the webmaster data, you have seen a huge spike in the impressions. I have generated a content which got featured in a lot of magazines, which you can see here. And I got a lot of views on my Quora answers. I'm going to share the secrets which got me these many views. And I hope you are going to enjoy it.